Hello Golden Knights. In today's video, I will be discussing moving properly in your stances, whether that be up and down the floor while you practice or in your katas. Okay? So, when I say moving properly, that covers a wide range of things. That covers balance, it covers control, it covers overall form. Alright? So we'll start with a front stance. If I'm in a front stance, I'm in a left front stance down block. To advance forward, I'm not just going to step forward like this. Okay? It throws me off balance. It makes my center of gravity go all over the place. My head comes up. I'm off balance. I am going to move my back foot in at an angle towards my front foot and then back out, and it should plant pretty much on that same line where it was. So I'm going to advance forward to a front stance down block and show you what it should look like. In, out. In, out. Same thing when you turn. I'm going to turn, keep my body low, rotate my foot all the way around so I'm facing the back of the room. Okay? So again, I'll demonstrate. I'll switch legs this time. I'm moving my foot in and then back out while trying to keep my head low and my center of gravity low. You can slide your foot if you need to or barely pick it up. The objective is not to stomp your foot while you do this technique. Okay? Another stance that we move in and out of quite frequently is a back stance. So, first we'll start with a front stance to a back stance. So just like, alright, so we're going to start here. Front stance down block. I'm going to advance forward. My front leg will become my back leg. I will advance forward, my front leg, or my back leg will come in towards my front leg just like before, but then go straight up into a back stance. Okay? So again, in towards my front leg, straight up. Trying to keep my center of gravity low the entire time. I don't straighten out my leg to stand up. I keep it low, advance forward. Okay? So from this angle, you'll see, advance forward, back stance. We can also go from a back stance to a front stance, just like in Chun-Ji, right? Back stance, middle block, then we have to advance forward into a front stance, lunge punch. So in towards my front foot, and then back out, just like that front stance. The front stance to back stance is half the equation, and back stance to front stance is the other half of the whole front stance to front stance equation. Okay? So again, one more time. Here, back stance, into a lunge punch. Overall, my head stays at a similar level. My feet are positioned properly. I'm balanced. And I'm moving with control and power. Alright? That's the basics of moving in our basic stances. Front stance to front stance. Front stance to back stance. Back stance to back stance to front stance. We have one more. Back stance to back stance. So, our front foot becomes our back foot. I'm going to shift my weight forward, keep that leg bent, and advance forward. As you can see here, advance forward. When I rotate, I just shift my feet. Okay? The objective is to keep your weight, your center of gravity low, your head at the consistent level so you keep your balance as you move. Feet together, fists in front. Bow, show respect.